If you struggle to curl your hair evenly, this might completely change your routine. This is the Infinity Pro by Conair Curl Secret. This is the 1.4-inch barrel. And it does the curling for you. What makes this difference is that automatically pulls your hair into the chamber. You just play in a section inside, press start, and it wraps the hair around the ceramic barrel for you. No twisting, no manual wrapping, and no awkward wrist angles. It has 5 heat settings from 300 Fahrenheit all the way to 410 Fahrenheit, so you can adjust depending on your hair type. I love that it works for medium to long hair, and the thick barrier gives you bigger soft curl instead of tight wrinkles. You can choose between three preset curl types: wavy, soft, and blow up. Plus, you can change the curl direction, left, right, or alternating, so your hair looks more natural and balanced. One thing that I really appreciate is the protective cover. It keeps the hot barrier from getting too close to your scalp, which makes it feel much safer than traditional curling irons. It also has the ceramic technology, so the heat distributes evenly and helps reduce damage. What I like most is how consistent the curls look and every section comes out uniform, which is hard to achieve with a regular curling wand. If you want loose waved, a soft blow up look, or more defined curls, you can customize everything. This product is easy to use, it doesn't take you too much time to style your hair, and I like the soft, voluminous curls with minimal effort. If you want something that simplifies your styling routine and gives you consistent result every time, this is one worth looking into.